Hey, today is March 12th. I'm packing my stuff, leaving to Mirissa. Just booked a Airbnb. I made a mistake. Yesterday was March 11th, Lithuania's Independence Day. So yeah, hurry for that. I'm gonna go pack my stuff. I'm gonna be heading to Mirissa. So just did my checkout. It was a little rush. The lady come knocking. Somebody's waiting for checking, but yeah, my clothes, dirty clothes, doesn't fit because I put them next to other clothes. So a little rush, but I made it. Now just need to walk. Yeah. I'm not super exhausted, but yeah, the how to say, the tiredness, everything is kicking in. I didn't have really a complete rest day, but I'm still good. Like for at least 1 month. The hell is that? So I need to get down to that road and then walk there. There's a bus station. It's like 15 minutes. So I'm taking a bus to Matale. Or Matale, it's 700, and after that there's only 6 kilometers to Mirissa. So police stopped the bus and they're looking for drugs. It's kind of funny. So just arrived in Matara. The ride took me 5 hours plus minus. A lot of tuk-tuks. Kind of annoying, so I'm gonna look for a bus to Mirissa.
Hello friend.
No.
Where are you going?
No. Thank you. This place looks cool. Yo, so this is my room. I smell a little bit mold. I think there's here. My has AC, it's 4000. Has towels, has a bed. How's the bed? Yeah, it could be better, but it will do. It's like a metal spring bed. Shower, hot water, 4000. That's like 14 euro. The owner is nice. He'll arrange me a bike. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's also kitchen. Yeah. So my plan was actually go to Nilvela. It's that Hirikatia beach. So I heard it's very nice, but I don't know why I came actually to Mirissa is because there was a bus to Mirissa and they said you can go to Nilvela or something, you know, but actually you can go to Nilvela first from LA. It's not that hard, but now I was checking the bookings, so it's all full, like nothing, like everything's booked. Like you can get a hostel for 10 euro or a hotel for like 50 euro maybe. I don't know, maybe even more, like 70. But I'm also like booking the last minute, so that's also, you know, And Airbnb it's like all full. I think it's like very small. So I have this place for 2 days. Tomorrow I'm getting a scooter. Probably gonna drive to Nilvela, just check it out. And the guy told me I can like book another day here. So let's see what we can do. Okay, let's go check out this place. It's almost sunset, but maybe I'll just take a quick look. Got a coconut. Yeah, so far the room looks good. Like, I spent less energy today than yesterday. Like by driving, like not driving, but sitting on a bus for 6 hours. 2 buses, 1.5 and 1.5. But this gentleman has coconuts. Maybe I'll get one. Hello, sir. Hello. Coconut.
100.
Okay, 150. Okay. Very nice gentleman. Only 150. Good price. You shouldn't pay more than 150 unless it's in the mountains.